welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. So today, in today's video, as far as eyeshadow palettes, I'm just going to be using one just to make everything as simple as possible. I already did my eyebrows just because it takes so long to do, so I'm going to go ahead and get started on my eyes. Okay, to prime my eyes, I'm going to use my e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. This is in medium beige. And then to set it, I'm going to be using my AB8 setting powder in deep peach. Okay, y'all, I'm going to use my Morphe 39L Hit the Lights palette. I haven't used this palette in a while, but I have used it before on my channel. So I'm going to come out and go in with this brown color right here, that's cool tone brown, and put that like on the outer parts of my eyes. Top of that color that I put down, I'm going to use this color right here to blend it out. Next, I'm gonna go in with this yellowish gold color right here. It's a shimmer color. But before I put that down, I'm going to come out and use my NYX Glitter Primer just to make sure that it sticks well and it shows up well. Okay, y'all, I did come on and blend those two colors that's on my eyes together, and I also put those colors underneath my eyes. And now I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Okay, y'all, for my lash glue, I'm going to use my Dual Lash Glue. And then for my lashes, I'm going to use my Ioni Lite Cateye lashes. Okay, y'all, moving on to the face. I did use my Dickinson's Pore Perfecting Toner, and now I'm going to use my L'Oreal Collagen Moisture Filler Moisturizer. Okay, for my primer, I'm going to use my Benefit Cosmetics Porefessional Pore Primer. To correct the dark spots on my face, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. Y'all, for my foundation today, I'm using foundation I haven't used in a while. This is my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless foundation. This is in 360 Mocha. For some more coverage, I'm going to use my e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in Deep Cinnamon. I'm just going to put this all in places where I put my orange corrector. Okay, y'all, to highlight, I'm using my Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer. This is a 3.5N. While that's setting, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place bronzer palette in dark, and I'm going to use this color right here. I'm going to use contour my nose as well as underneath my jawline because it's lighter. And then I'm going to use this darker color for my cheek area as well as around my forehead area. Okay, y'all, to set that concealer in place, I'm going to use a mixture of 2 powders. I'm going to use my Patch Star one size translucent setting powder, and then I'm also going to use my ABA setting powder in Deep Peach. Okay, y'all, for my all over face powder, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Longwear Foundation, and this is in the shade 440. Okay, y'all, for my blush, I'm going to use my Beauty Bay blush, and this is in the color Coral. Okay, y'all, for my highlight, I'm going to use the Saharian Blush Volume 1 palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here. Okay, y'all, now for my lips, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie, and I'm going to use the Black Radiance Perfect Tone Matte Lip Cream, and this is in Naughty Brown. Okay, y'all, for my setting spray, I'm using my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Okay, y'all, reached the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Definitely like this look and how it came out. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Everything that I use will be listed in the description bar, in the description box, as well as all my social media handles. Also, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share. I'd love to hear from you all. I am trying to get to at least 2,000 subscribers this year. So tell your best friend, your auntie, your mama, your grandma, everybody, y'all. So I will see you all in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.